Hello, my dear students. So today's our topic is the relation between impedance and refractive index. So we have defined both impedance and refractive index in the previous articles. Now in this lecture we are going to find the relationship between these two. So if we have two medias, one medium having you can say impedance Z1 and second having Z2 here, so medium 1 and medium 2, then this is the boundary. This is the boundary, and waves, electromagnetic waves are incident on its boundary, ठीक है, between two impedances Z1 and Z2. Then refractive index, that is denoted by n, that is equal to you can say velocity. We have studied this velocity of EM waves in a vacuum or air, ठीक है जी, divided by velocity of EM waves in a medium. Velocity of EM waves in the medium, ठीक है जी. So this is refractive index, or you can say C by V, ठीक है जी. Velocity of EM waves in a vacuum. Vacuum ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ velocity ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੈ 1 over under root mu naught epsilon naught, and in a medium that is 1 over under root of mu epsilon, ठीक है जी. When you put the value of mu, that is equal to mu naught mu r epsilon naught epsilon r divided by under root of mu naught epsilon naught, ठीक है जी. Then mu naught epsilon naught that goes cancelled, and we have n that is equal to under root of mu r epsilon r, ठीक है जी. And mu r that is equal to 1, approximate equal to 1 for a non-magnetic material, for a non-magnetic material, that is equal to 1 for a non-magnetic material. If this is equal to 1, then we have n is equal to under root of epsilon r. So take it equation number, you can say first. If this is equation number first, then what about its relation with now impedance? So take it this equation number 1. Now we want to find out its relationship with characteristic impedance, that is equal to Z. So we have two impedances Z1 and Z2. If first medium is vacuum, we take its impedance Z1 is equal to, we are taking Z0 if medium is vacuum. First medium is vacuum, ठीक है जी. Vacuum है first medium, then we are taking Z1 is equal to Z0, and second Z2 is equal to Z for a medium, for any medium, ठीक है जी. So in the lecture of characteristics impedance, we have defined that Z, that is equal to, for a free space it is equal to mu naught epsilon naught, it is equal to mu naught epsilon naught, and for a medium it is equal to under root mu over epsilon. So from this we can find out, this implies the ratio of Z0 over Z, that is equal to, देखो बेटा Z0 over Z ratio is mu naught epsilon naught over under root of mu epsilon, mu naught epsilon naught divided by under root of mu epsilon. So you can put the value of mu, that is equal to mu naught epsilon naught. So this is equal to under root of mu naught over epsilon naught, mu naught mu r, and epsilon ऊपर चला गया, epsilon naught epsilon r. You can put this. So in this way, this both terms then again goes, ठीक है. We have under root of mu r epsilon r mu r, and epsilon r mu r for a non-magnetic material, then again it equal to 1. So we have, so from this we have Z0 over Z, that is equal to under root of epsilon r. So we have now this relation, clear ji? This relation, this is another relation that we have, clear ji? So take it this equation 1, take it this equation 2nd. So now we have two equations. From first and second equation, what you conclude? First, n is also equal to under root of mu epsilon r, and from here you can conclude that Z0 over Z from first and second is equal to n. So from first and second, so you can write here, from first and second we can write n is equal to z naught over z, n is equal to z naught over z. ठीक है जी. So this is, take it equation number third. So take it equation number third. So this is for a relationship between characteristics impedance and refractive index for a medium. ठीक है जी. Now this is, it means that refractive index is equal to impedance of free space over impedance of any media. Media means if medium is a conductor, you can say right here impedance of a conductor. ठीक है. So from this we can conclude that the refractive index of a dielectric with EM waves in free space striking the medium is a real quantity. Is a, जिवे free space first medium is free space, second is any other media, if second media is dielectric, then if waves are incident then that refractive index will be a real quantity. ठीक है जी. So we can say that the refractive index for a dielectric is a real quantity, but for a conductor it is not real, it is a complex quantity. For in the case of a conductor, for dielectric की हो गया था डिकोल, for dielectric it is a real quantity, and for refractive index for conductor it is a imaginary. For conductor it is a complex, it is a complex quantity. Now we want to find out for that. So refractive index, from this we can say that if medium is a conductor, then you can write z naught over impedance for a conductor. ठीक है जी. Now for a free space we know it is mu naught over epsilon, and for a conductor we have already derived the relationship that this is equal to 2 omega mu over sigma under root. ठीक है जी, into 1 plus iota by 2. ठीक है, we have done this 1 plus iota by 2 under root 2 omega mu by sigma. ठीक है जी. So from this you can write this as under root mu naught epsilon naught sigma upward over 2 omega mu. This is under root, this is 1 over 1 plus iota by 2, 1 plus iota by 2. ठीक है जी. So you can solve this by 1 plus iota, you can solve this 1 plus iota, multiply and divide it by 1 minus iota. ठीक है जी. When you multiply and divide it by 1 minus iota, 1 minus iota is from this you can conclude that this will be equal to 1 minus iota square, that is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 2 over 2 is also here, 2 into 1 minus iota. So this is equal to 1 over 1 minus iota, 1 over 1 minus iota. ठीक है जी. So 1 over 1 minus 1 plus iota by 2, we are taking 1 plus iota by 2. 1 plus iota by 2 is equal to 1 over 1 minus iota. So 1 over 1 minus iota means 1 minus iota upward. So 1 minus iota under root of sigma upon what is sigma over into mu naught over epsilon naught 2 omega mu. This is equal to sigma mu naught epsilon naught 2 omega mu. ठीक है जी. Mu naught over mu under root, that is equal to mu naught over mu naught mu r. You can put here mu naught goes 1 for a conductor, mu r is equal to 1. So from this you can write, this implies that under root of mu naught over mu, that is equal to approximate equal to 1, that is approximate equal to 1. So from this you can write here 1 minus iota over under root of mu naught over mu, that is approximate equal to 1. So sigma over 2 omega epsilon naught. So this is the value of refractive index. ठीक है जी. So this is the relationship between refractive index and characteristic impedance. Thank you very much.